Good day, everybody. Welcome back to TT Forex. In this video, we are going to talk about spinning tops. This is another one for the candlestick anatomy video series, in which we are going to talk about spinning tops. These candlesticks are regarded as reversal pattern, not reversal as such, but some kind of indecision, of which if it happens at some extreme levels, you will be looking for a possible reversal or something. So this is exactly what we are going to talk about, but we are not here to talk about reversals or continuation. We are just going to strip them and look at what really transpires during the formation of such candlesticks. So they are characterized by small bodies, long wicks at both ends, and ideally the body must be located exactly at the center of the candlestick, but do not expect it to be really at the center, because the market is not your friend. It doesn't draw things according to what you need them to be, so it is going to print whatever it prints. So anything of that nature, anything that resembles something with a body in the middle with 2 wicks protruding at both ends, is ideal. That's a spinning top, which looks much more like this. So this is a basic candlestick, which is a spinning top. So the body should be at the center of the candlestick ideally, and then the wicks must be long from both ends, and this is what they call a bullish spinning top, which I do not consider such candlestick bullish or bearish, depending on where they are. I mean, the bullishness or the bearishness of such a candlestick is determined by the location of the candlestick on the chart. So from just looking at it, you can never say whether it's bullish or bearish. But because the open was much lower than the close, then yeah, overall the market pushed up, but not convincingly. So I wouldn't consider that as bullish. Well, here we are. This is a spinning top. So let's suppose this was a spinning top on the daily time frame. Going down to the lower time frames, this is ideally what you're going to see. Nah, not this jargon, but I mean, I will show you just in a minute. Let's pull up a pen here. So the market opened here. According to this, it opened here. So there are only two possible routes in which the spinning top was formed. It's either the market. Alright, let me clarify one thing first. These lines you see here and the arrows, they are showing the direction in which the market possibly had moved before the whole candlestick was formed. And then this one on the right here is yet another one, another route in which the market must have taken in order for it to print this this candlestick. So here we are. The market might have started by moving up, found some sort of resistance in here, and then went down there, found some support, then came back to close here much higher than the open. That's exactly what might have happened. And then the other route in which the market might have taken in order for it to form the spinning top, this perfect spinning top, which I doubt you will ever find in a live chart, because there's no perfection in live charts. So the other route in which it might have taken is it opened up here, went down, found some support of some sort, and then shot up, found some resistance, and then went back down to close higher than the open. That's yet another route in which the market might have taken. So I just illustrated this in a diagram, which of course in a chart these will be a series of candlesticks with some waves or whatever, some ranging, and then find some support, maybe range a little bit and then go down, you know, like how the market moves. It moves in waves, ranging, and things like that, forming some patterns of some sort. That is when you look at the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame it will be just this candlestick, of which in hindsight it will be like, wow, this is so perfect. I mean, I could have shorted, I could have gone long or something, but in real time this is not as perfect as it is in hindsight. So this is an example of a bullish pin bar, spinning top. I like pin bars, I don't know why. Yeah, so I even dream of them when I'm sleeping, but that's not the point. The point is spinning tops are considered to be indecision candles, so that's why they are called indecisions, because from what you can see from this diagram, look at this route here, the blue one. Let's take the blue one for instance. So the blue one shows a market that is more likely to go bearish. Look at this. This is a push to the upside and then push to the downside, broke this open here that could have acted as a support, and then went down. So in other words, this market is already showing some bearish signs, and then it shot up but couldn't take the previous highs. So there is a possibility that it might as well find some support somewhere and come back downwards. That's one possible way. Another possible way is that since it went down first, went up and broke this support here presented by the resistance presented by the opening price, then it found some support up there, it came down, it might as well find some support somewhere and then come back to break these previous highs. So in other words, you might as well consider this a bullish move. So that is why it is regarded as an indecision candle, but because the market is not yet decided where it is going due to the possible routes it might have taken in the lower time frames. So from looking at the higher time frames, you won't be able to see this. So that's why we always recommend for one to go down to the lower time frame and see exactly what really happened. So this is an example of a bullish one. Let us move to a bearish spinning top, which is something I just like I just pasted it, I flipped it, pasted it. That's the opposite of a bullish anyway. So the concept is the same. The market went up, came down here, closed here, or the market went down, found some resistance. Oh, sorry about that. It found some support of some sort, came up here, found some resistance, and then shot down. That's the concept, but it's always the same as the bullish. Whether it's bullish or bearish, is the same concept. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope this was informative to you, and I would really like to thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, dislike, so everything is acceptable, and I would like to thank you so much for taking your time.